Good evening, everyone. I hope that you had an amazing day today. I know that life can be tough, and I know I always start my affirmations and mindfulnesses like this, but it's the truth. But you know what? The thing in life is we all need someone to love. We all deserve someone to love. We all need someone to care about, and we all need someone to need us. And we all need someone we can care about and someone that we can be there for and do things for. So in life, no matter how tough it gets, find those people that can share precious moments with. Find those people that you can care about. And sometimes, life gets tough and you pull back from people. It doesn't mean you don't love them and care about them anymore. It's just you pulled back because you need a break from them, or you see things in their character that's kind of made you want to stay away from them for a little bit. And it doesn't mean that you don't care about them. It doesn't mean you don't still love them. And hopefully they can tell that you're not hating on them, that you still want to be there for them. Because life is hard, and sometimes it's just you have to do those things when you notice those changes in people. And sometimes you have to do it for your own well-being, your own mental and emotional state. You have to take care of you first. You cannot, if you don't take care of your health first, you don't take care of your emotional and your mental well-being first, your spiritual well-being first. Spirituality should always be number one, and all the rest should be following. If you aren't doing well mentally, emotionally, or physically, then you can't take care of yourself spiritually either. So it's so important to take care of your health and to eat right, to diet, to exercise, to take care of your mental and physical and emotional health by studying, by meditating on Bible things, on things that make you happy, that make you understand yourself more. And so that way you can be the best person that you can be. Because you deserve to be the best that you can be in life. And everyone deserves that. Everyone deserves to be happy. Everyone deserves that chance. So tonight, I want you to think about some things in yourself that you really would like to see you do better and improve on. And it doesn't mean it's going to keep you from sleeping. Because you're going to think of 5 things that you want to improve on. It's the first thing I want you to do, and I'm not going to name my 5 things this time. Sometimes I do it with you just to kind of help encourage you to do it. Think of 5 things right now. I'm going to give you a minute. And then I want you to turn around and think of 5 things about yourself that you love. I know sometimes that's hard. Sometimes there's different ones of us. We all have self-confidence issues. We have low self-esteem. And so sometimes it's very hard to think of those things about ourselves that we really love and like. But I know if you search and dig deep that you can find 5 things about yourself that you can like. I want you to think of those 5 things. Now I want you to, once you've done that, I want you to think of the one thing you want to work on, the one thing you like about yourself, the one thing you want to work on, the one thing you like about yourself. One thing you want to work on. See where I'm going with this? Keep thinking like that. Because a lot of times, the things that you love about yourself really correlates with the things you need to improve on. A lot of people don't think about that, but it's the truth. Because if you have these 5 things that you like about yourself, but you quit maintaining and working on those 5 things, then those things are going to slide. And the next thing you know, those are going to be the things that you don't like about yourself that you need to work on. So you got to work on balancing and learning how to fix the things you want to improve in your life and do better with, while maintaining the things that you already feel like you are doing well at, and not losing your grip on that either. Because it's hard to do both sometimes. And sometimes it's like when you start working really hard on one thing, then sometimes you get to where you're not doing as well on another thing. Like, for example, when I've been trying to get better with my balancing. But then I also really want to get my stomach looking better. So I'm trying to change my diet up, trying to do more ab work. At the same time, I'm trying to practice balancing moves, workout moves. And sometimes I go, "Ugh," because then the things that I like about myself, that I'm proud of, that I'm really good at, goes out the window because I'm working so hard on the other. And then I have to get back into the practice of doing well at the other thing that I felt like I was doing well at. You see, so everything in life is a balancing act. And sometimes it can be extremely discouraging. But what I'm here to tell you is do not become discouraged. Keep fighting, keep trying, and don't ever give up. Take a few deep breaths in with me. And a few deep breaths out. Continue to breathe in. You can close your eyes or continue to watch the fish on the screen. Those cleansing breaths are going to help your mind and your body to relax now. Now that you got all that in your head, all the stimulus in your head, you're going to go to sleep tonight thinking about all the wonderful things that you like about yourself. You're going to think about all the people you love and you care about, and that you want to continue to love and care about, whether it's from a distance or close to you. Now take another deep breath in, and take another deep breath out. You can start feeling your muscles in your body from your toes all the way up to your head starting to relax. Let them relax and let them go limp. Go to your happy place. Go to your quiet place. You need to continue to concentrate on watching the video of the fish swimming around. Take another deep breath in. And take another deep breath out. Get ready, because tonight it's all about dolphins and whales. The sounds that they make. Have a wonderful night, everyone.